The rapid ramp system combines hundreds of off-the-shelf components to configure the perfect ramp design. Standardization makes it rapid to design, specify, and install. Platforms. Platform widths are stocked in various lengths and widths to suit different applications and building regulations, from 900mm for residential usage up to 1500mm for commercial usage. Any two platform widths can be bolted together if a wider platform is required. The metal mesh platform surface comes as standard. Testing has shown that this platform has a safe loading capacity of 1 ton and exceeds the minimum British standards for slip resistance by 268%. Also, it is self-draining to allow water to pass through rather than puddle on the surface and potentially freeze. Yellow tread can be added to help those with impaired vision identify a change in level. Handrails. There are 3 different handrail types. The standard rail is 900mm high and features a mid-rail. This is suitable for residential usage and for commercial applications where the ramp height does not exceed 380mm. The infill rail features vertical bars to prevent the passing of a 100mm sphere. This is suitable for all commercial usage. The 1100mm high rail features vertical rails and is suitable for level landings in a commercial application. All rails have a 100mm high curb that is visually contrasting to the platform. This acts as a guide for a white stick and prevents small wheelchair wheels from coming off the ramp edge. All rails are made from high-grade mild steel, galvanized for rust protection. Finally, they are coated with a thermosetting powder to provide a non-conductive, non-slip, and scratch-resistant surface. Where the handrail terminates, we add looped trombone ends to prevent clothes from snagging. Telescopic legs that can be adjusted to accommodate different threshold heights and undulating ground surfaces. The rapid ramp system can be configured to suit almost any requirement. Speak to our experts for product information or advice on the correct specification required to pass building control.